Effective plaque removal. 200 yards of Reach Dentotape, a mint-flavored, waxed dental floss with an extra-wide cleaning surface specifically designed for wide-spaced teeth. Teeth protection. Helps protect your teeth and gums by effectively removing plaque from hard-to-reach places that brushing alone may miss. Thoroughly clean. Reach Dentotape waxed dental floss removes small food particles that get stuck between the teeth and around gums, and that can lead to bad breath, for a thorough clean. Extra wide cleansing surface. Dental floss from Reach is specifically effective in cleaning between wide-spaced teeth thanks to its extra wide cleaning surface. Professional recommended. Dental professionals recommend flossing regularly because it is proven to remove plaque between teeth to help prevent gum disease. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. I brought this back in September 2019 and it's still going even after using nearly every day. Lasts a really long time. I was recommended by my dentist to buy a flat waxed floss as this cleans the best. Who knew not all floss was the same? Anyway, this is really good, and although you can buy cheaper, this lasts and works.